one of my roles at Walmart was to raise the bar of tech culture. That was what my job description was when I was with Walmart, to raise the bar of tech culture at Walmart, right? And then how do you break something as big as a tech culture and create something that you can show a tangible progress of? But I'll come to that part. Before that, I want to give an example from my first job, right? I think we were. Uh, some of you maybe who don't know me may be confused with my designation. I'm in marketing right now, but I did do testing in the in the initial part of my career. So in the early days, there was this problem our manager was facing, and in the status reporting, right? And there was this guy who basically figured out a way to do a simple automation in Excel, and change the color coding and all that. And he learned that skill on the fly, and then figured out a way to solve that problem. The second instance which happened, which was a few months later, was we got one email from our country head. I was in like Mohali, Punjab at that time, and he said that Punjab tourism wants to build a touchscreen interface, and touchscreen interface was very unheard of at that time, right? And we need some volunteers who can work on this project. I looked at this and I said, like, boss, I don't know, I have not worked on touchscreen, so I let it pass. Like 6 months later, again another email came, and this time, they congratulated that this project is installed and these people contributed, and one person happened to be the guy who I knew, and he was part of my team. I went ahead and told him, boss, I think you knew how to make a touchscreen interface. He said, no, I didn't know how to make it, but I said, like, we'll figure out as the things come. So I learned a lesson a very hard way in both these cases, that a lot of time you let go of problem because you don't know technology, you don't know anything. But a lot of time people who succeed are the ones who just raise their hands and say that I will figure things out. So one very important element of technical excellence is identifying the problem, pinpoint problem, what is the problem that is being solved, and second is how can I use technology, my skills, or learn new skills to solve that problem. I think at a fundamental level, I look at it tech excellence through these two lenses in these stories that I have told.